Hi you guys, so let me drag you along while I restock my fridge. So first thing first, yes, I have plastic containers. I recently gave up plastic shopping bags, but baby, I'm not all the way there yet, so please don't hold me to that standard. I'm still going through the motions of creating my ideal lifestyle and don't want to appear perfect in any way because I'm not. On another note, I love restocking my fridge. It feels like therapy most times, especially when I run upon new ideas that I can use to extend the life of my herbs. Also, I found these cute cow containers that my daughter absolutely loves. I noticed that she's been consuming more juice since I bought them, which is amazing. But anyway, I need to get ready to head out to the orthodontist. Your girl needs to get some things straight, literally. Just to fill you in, I need to get my bottom teeth straightened, so I'm consulting with my orthodontist to see what they recommend between braces and Invisalign. Based on the recommendation, we're moving forward with the Invisalign. I'm excited! But anyway, I need to head home to start prepping and packing because my daughter has a show today with her band. Super excited about that and wanted to get into this mushroom meal I was talking about in my last video. I only dehydrated them for an hour at 110 Fahrenheit. I had to lower the temp to preserve the nutrients. But anyway, this mushroom avocado wrap is literally a go-to meal for me now. So let me pack this up and head to my daughter's show. Okay, so we arrived a little early before the check-in time, but since it's in the city, we are hanging out at the park and enjoying the festivities. They have some really great hangout spots, especially places to just chill out and work remote. It's a little too far from me, but anyway, we are here and I'm more excited about it than she is. Let me give you guys a little snippet.
My word, she did fantastic.
Awesome. She's just right in the zone.
She's really doing a great job. Good job, Aubrey.
Very impressed.
You can call this social influence. I packed up all my food and still ended up at a restaurant. I only ordered a plain salad with water and left it at that. Once I got back to the car, I was eating everything in the bag because I was hungry. Sunday spa day. I needed to relax and not be a mom, a content creator, an influencer, or a friend for that matter. I just needed me all to myself. So I know you're here to find out if you're the winner. If I were you, I would be here too trying to find out. But let's just get right into it because I'm super excited about this giveaway. This video was actually supposed to be posted 2 days ago, but you guys, it took me forever to write down every single name from all 3 posts. It took me forever. So I need to come up with a better method, but I didn't want to leave anybody out. So I got help and we wrote down all the names for the people, you know, who commented on all 3 posts or one of the 3 posts, whatever the case may be. So we made sure we captured every name and it's in this beautiful bag, which I'm super excited about. This super bag that I got from Kroger, you guys probably seen this bag in other videos, but it's my shopping bag because I'm trying to stay away from plastic. But I know that's a crazy thing to say considering the fact that I have plastic in my refrigerator, but you know, don't worry about that. Baby steps, okay? I'm getting to it. But anyway, when I announce the winner, you have 2 weeks to respond. Let me tell you, it's so many people out here who could benefit from having this juicer, who's on their healing journey, and I don't want it to be held up for someone who decided to throw their name in a bucket and not follow up. It's a lot of people that are trying to really take their healing journey to the next level, and this would really, really help them. I don't think I ever shared this with you guys before, but my love language is gift giving. Like, I have a rule. If you ever come to my home, like, you're leaving with something. I don't care if it's a bag of tea, a brand new shirt, like, it does not matter what it is. That's just my love language. So I love giving back to people, especially the less fortunate. I noticed that, and I don't know if you guys peep this, but I noticed that a lot of people who receive gifts are people who are wealthy or people who don't really need it. And that's crazy to me. I love giving to people, but mainly the less fortunate, because I feel like the less fortunate always have to beg for what they want. And, you know, people who have it, they just get it freely without even asking. So I, you know, have a soft spot in my heart for the less fortunate, and I hope that whoever receives this, you know, I hope it really helps you on your journey and it benefits you. So hopefully God guides me, which he will, guides me to pick a name, you know, for someone who could really benefit from having this Nama J2. So let's get into it. So I'm not gonna look in the bag. It's so many names in here and they're all tangled together. So let me pick one. Okay, God be the glory. Okay, let's pick something. All right. Okay, I got something. Tangle up. Okay, I got something. Okay, all right. This person is Priscilla Gonzalez. Congratulations, girl. You got you a Nama J2. I'm excited for you. Congratulations, my darling. I hope you really, really enjoy it. I will post your comment somewhere on the screen. Please respond to me as soon as possible, because I want to go ahead and get this shipped out to you. As I mentioned, if you responded both or Vitamix, I will be doing that in my next video. I just have to go back through them all. I wanted to do both in this video, but it was so many comments, you guys. I'm not kidding you. And I was able to get all the Nama J2 comments, but I need to, you know, go back and tackle the Vitamix comments and the ones who said both as well, who didn't win for this one. So I will be going back through those. Just give me time and it will be in my next video. But once again, congratulations, Priscilla. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly, because I suck at that. But congratulations, girl. I'm super excited for you, and I really, really hope you enjoy it, and God bless. So there are a few things that I want to talk about while I have you guys. I did get a comment. Someone was asking about mono meals and how I approach that. So basically, when it comes to oranges, if I'm eating oranges, I only eat oranges alone. I don't like combine it with any other fruit. That's the same for grapes. If I do combine fruit with something else, it's probably cucumbers. I really try not to mix them together. I find that I'm a little bit bloated after when I do that, so I try to only stick with one fruit. Mainly I do it with orange juice and grapes, and sometimes I add water to grape juice because, oh my God, it's so sweet. So a lot of times, you know, when it comes to certain fruit, I add water to them, especially watermelon. And I know that sounds crazy, but because it produces so much juice, but it's super sweet to me. I don't know what it is. I don't know if my taste buds are changing, but it's really, I don't know, things are like kind of sweet to me nowadays. I don't know what it is, but I am hung up on mushrooms right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Mushrooms is like on my mind, heavy every day, all day. I'm talking turkey tail, lion's mane, bear head tooth, and I'm just hung up on it. I'm so into mushrooms right now. So anyway, I want to show you guys my bag of mushrooms because it is growing. So let me go and grab my bag and I'll be right back. So this is the growth of my bear head tooth mushrooms so far. I'm super excited about it. Look at it. It's growing. Oh my God. This is the first time I'm growing mushrooms, and I'm excited about it because it's turning out great so far. I want to go ahead and put this back because, you know, you have to be careful with this. You don't want to get any germs or anything around it. So I am going to put this back and be right back. So I've been getting a lot of questions about a lot of different things as far as how to sustain a raw vegan lifestyle, how to meal prep. Like, it's just so many different things that I've been getting questions on. And listen, you guys, I have one recommendation that will answer all of your questions. Yes, all of them. So I don't know if you remember, but about a video or two ago, I was talking about book recommendations, and when I tell you, I started reading this book already. When I tell you this book is like, it reads the inside of my mind. Like I really want to like meet this author because he did his research, like for sure. The book is called The Raw Cure. And it's not just about, you know, curing chronic illnesses or anything like that. I mean, it does touch on that, but it's not just about that. It's really about how to sustain a raw vegan lifestyle. When I said it reads the inside of my mind, like, oh my God, like this book is so freaking bomb. I have to give a final review on this book when I'm done because I just can't even believe that I found such a book on Amazon. So if you haven't, you know, gotten this book yet, please go and check it out. I will put the link in the description. I kind of want to give a giveaway on this as well because this right here, life-changing. I'm serious. Like if you're ever confused about anything, what to add in, how to start, he talks about it holistically, even mental health. So I highly recommend this book. Like I cannot speak on it enough because it's really that bomb. Once again, it's called The Raw Cure. So you should definitely check it out. Love this book. Can't wait until I'm done because it's getting interesting. I mean, it's even talking about each vitamin and mineral and how it's essential in your, you know, daily life and what foods contain those vitamins and minerals. So it's really detailed. It's a very detailed book and it's only about sustaining a raw vegan lifestyle. It's a go. You have to go and get it. Please read it. It will change your life if you're really trying to go raw. Anyway, life has been, you know, lifing. You know, I'm just still trying to find the balance, you know, between doing social media, you know, creating content, and also, you know, being a mom and also prepping and figuring out things as I go along. It's just so many different factors when it comes to this lifestyle. But baby, I'm so proud of myself. Like, I don't think I ever say that on camera, but I really am so proud of myself because this is tough work. And I posted recently on my community tab that, you know, anything that you want to accomplish in life comes with a sacrifice. Like you have to sacrifice something, and I made that sacrifice and it was tough and it was hard and I wanted to piggyback on it and I wanted to go back over and over and over again, but I realized it wasn't benefiting me, so I had to just stick with it. And even though initially it was tough work, you know, especially when life kicks in, like losing my father and, you know, a lot of different things, sometimes you just want to go back to what's comfortable. You just have to stick with it. It will change your life. I'm telling you, every day you will see benefits. I'm telling you, like, I can't express that enough. Like, it's really something you have to try out. Again, I don't want to come off as if, you know, other lifestyles or other ways of eating is unhealthy, but at the same time, I don't think that it's wise to like bash a lifestyle that you've never tried. I know a lot of people have doubts going in before they even try it. I mean, we're human and we're really designed to discover things. Like, we don't have to rely on someone else to discover who we are and how to heal our bodies. Like, we own this body. You should be responsible for discovering how to heal your body, not wait for someone else to do their research and figure out, you know, what you should do to heal your body or what they should give you to heal your body. It's really ultimately your responsibility, so you should take that into your own hands. Don't give that power to someone else. And if you get, you know, advice, feedback from your doctors and all that stuff, trust me, that's well needed. But ultimately, you know, holistically, you're responsible for your own health, for your mental health, your physical health, taking care of your body. You're responsible for what you put in your body. You're responsible for what you listen to. You're responsible for the environment that you're in. So please don't give me the talk about, well, this isn't recommended. Research says this, research says that, the doctor said this. Okay, that's all fine and dandy. The doctor is not in the kitchen with you while you're cooking and using all of these toxic foods. Your doctor is not there when you're listening and watching all of this toxic TV and music. Like, it's just, they're not there. They don't know the type of influence that you're taking in every single day that's, you know, contributing to whatever you're dealing with in life. You know, trauma really creates disease, and I don't think people want to acknowledge that, and they don't want to admit that, but trauma does create disease. So you have to keep all of those things in mind. And I just want to encourage you guys to just take the first step. That's all I'm asking. Take the first step. I'm not asking you to change your life forever, to never eat cooked food again, or anything of that nature. I'm asking you to just take the first step and make your own judgment based on your experience, not what someone else said, not what someone else did, not someone else's experiences. That's not yours, okay? You cannot make decisions based on someone else's experience. You have to take it on yourself, especially if there are things you want to accomplish in life, there are things you want to heal from. I mean, it helps you in so many different ways in life. So I just want you to take that first step, and I really hope my videos and my content influence you to just do it, because we are not perfect. I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. No one's perfect. And we learn through trial and error. That's just life, you know what I mean? And so it's your life though, so it's your responsibility to make that trial and error, you know what I mean? And I'm here to support you along your journey. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Once again, congratulations to the winner, and I will see you guys in my next video, and I will be announcing the winner for the Vitamix. Bye.